with a broken wing, world weary and worn down. But little bird, you gave me such a precious thing, like a light in a ghost town. Now I guess I have to let you go out into the world alone. 'Cause if I didn't, how could you ever truly call this home? So fly, little bird, fly. Just remember why. Little bird, I tried to give you everything, waiting for the storm to pass. But little bird, the storm that broke you partly woke you to the dangers that lie outside the glass. But now I'm struggling to let you go, and it cuts the deepest aching. But if it offers you the chance to grow, then it's not my choice to make. So fly, little bird, fly. Just remember why. From the bottom of my heart, my soul screams to make you stay, to clip your wings again and drive the threats away. But a cage is still a cage, whether made of steel or glass. But if we dance in the rain, then we know every storm will pass and you'll have changed. Protection is prison by a different name. So fly, little bird, fly. Little bird, fly. Little bird, fly. Just remember why.